Profit Singularity Breakthrough is a comprehensive program designed to teach individuals how to generate consistent passive income through affiliate marketing and video ads. It claims to tap into untapped traffic sources like TikTok, enabling students to potentially earn substantial passive income, even if they have no prior marketing experience or technical skills. In this review, we'll delve into whether Profit Singularity Breakthrough is legitimate, and if it's possible to earn tens of thousands of dollars in passive income through this program. What is Profit Singularity Breakthrough? Profit Singularity Breakthrough is a business opportunity developed by the Profit Singularity team. It builds upon the original Profit Singularity program, aiming to guide individuals through a step-by-step process to make money online. However, Profit Singularity Breakthrough specifically focuses on affiliate marketing, video ads, and leveraging untapped online traffic sources. The Profit Singularity Breakthrough system utilizes artificial intelligence and a proven step-by-step approach to help users earn recurring commissions online. It covers topics such as selling digital and physical products, earning recurring commissions, and potentially making substantial daily passive income. Upon completing the program, users gain access to a range of free resources, including page builders, automated script writing tools, pre-built landing pages, and other tools to enhance their online business. The cost of Profit Singularity Breakthrough is a one-time fee of $2,497 or 3 monthly payments of $997. The program was launched on September 5, 2023. Profit Singularity Breakthrough benefits. According to the official website, Profit Singularity Breakthrough offers several benefits, including 1. A step-by-step system for generating consistent passive income online. 2. The opportunity to leverage untapped traffic sources and the latest advancements in AI. 3. Previous students reportedly earning tens of thousands of dollars in profit daily. 4. Suitable for individuals with all levels of experience, including complete beginners. 5. The potential to earn high commissions on both digital and physical products. 6. Scalability, with the possibility of earning from $5,000 to $60,000 with a single account. How does Profit Singularity Breakthrough work? Profit Singularity Breakthrough operates similarly to other online business opportunity training programs. It guides users through a proven step-by-step process for earning passive income online. This process involves selecting a niche, creating opportunities within that niche, driving traffic to offers, and earning income through affiliate marketing. The program is designed to cater to individuals of all experience levels, including those with no prior tech or marketing experience. By following the provided step-by-step system, users are promised the chance to achieve proven results and potentially earn the kind of daily profits mentioned on the official website. Upon learning how to launch their Profit Singularity Breakthrough business, users gain immediate access to tools and resources aimed at maximizing their business's success. These resources include landing page tools, script writing systems, pre-written ad copy, and more, which can be used or customized as needed. What makes Profit Singularity Breakthrough unique? While there are numerous online courses teaching money-making strategies, Profit Singularity Breakthrough aims to distinguish itself through several unique features and benefits. 1. Use of artificial intelligence. Profit Singularity Breakthrough highlights the use of AI to streamline the setup of each offer, reducing time and effort. AI is presented as a means to launch multiple online offers more efficiently. 2. 8-week step-by-step program. The program is designed to be accessible to individuals with varying levels of experience, offering an 8-week, easy-to-follow curriculum. 3. Impressive commissions. According to data from ClickBank and MaxWeb, Profit Singularity students have reportedly earned over $279 million in commissions to date. 4. Untapped traffic sources. The program claims to reveal untapped, highly profitable traffic sources online, including TikTok and YouTube ads. 5. Reliable income streams. Profit Singularity Breakthrough promises to help users build stable, recurring income streams, free from concerns about ad account shutdowns or disruptions. 6. Scalability. Users are encouraged to scale their businesses, potentially turning a few dollars in affiliate earnings into thousands or more. 7. Proven success. The official website claims that previous students have made substantial daily profits by implementing the program's lessons. 8. Repeatable system. Profit Singularity Breakthrough is presented as a repeatable system that users can use multiple times. 9. Immediate access to resources. Users receive immediate access to essential resources, such as landing pages, ad copy, and templates, to enhance their business from day one. Profit Singularity Breakthrough offers 4 methods of monetization. One notable aspect of Profit Singularity Breakthrough is its versatility when it comes to monetization methods. Users can choose from 4 different approaches. 1. High CPS and CPA commissions. This method involves earning commissions on both physical and digital products based on sales or customer actions, such as submitting an email. 2. Recurring commissions. Users can earn recurring income by promoting subscription-based services, providing a steady stream of predictable monthly income. 3. High percentage commissions on low-ticket digital products. This approach focuses on high commissions from low-cost digital products, potentially generating income through high-volume sales. 4. High commissions from high-ticket offers. This method entails earning substantial commissions from high-value product sales, often requiring fewer sales to achieve significant earnings. Profit Singularity Breakthrough guides users through the advantages and disadvantages of each monetization method, allowing them to select the one that best suits their goals and preferences. Who created Profit Singularity Breakthrough? Profit Singularity Breakthrough was developed by a team of entrepreneurs and digital marketers known for their success in the industry. The team includes Keegan Muller, known for generating over $30,000 per day through affiliate marketing, specializing in YouTube ads. Rob Jones, an expert in content creation and brand development, focusing on inbound marketing. Jerry Kramer, one of the top ClickBank affiliate marketers with expertise in SEO and affiliate marketing. Chris Reeder, active on ClickBank and known for his work with Facebook and YouTube traffic. Mark Ling, a self-made multimillionaire and a top ClickBank affiliate, with 20-plus years of industry experience, particularly in email marketing and affiliate marketing. Other Profit Singularity Breakthrough features and benefits. Profit Singularity Breakthrough offers additional features and benefits, including AI integration, leveraging AI to reduce workload and improve results. 90-day profit guarantee. A unique guarantee promising profit within 90 days of implementation or a refund plus an extra $500. Scalability. The program emphasizes the potential for significant scaling, with reports of some students earning substantial daily profits. Instant access to splash pages. Access to proven, high-converting splash pages for effective traffic conversion. Mastery of YouTube and TikTok ads. Guidance on maximizing the potential of YouTube and TikTok ads. Prebuilt resources, pre-built landing pages, ad copy, and other resources for user convenience. Automated video script generator, a tool for creating video ads without prior video-making knowledge. $1 Million Ad Vault, access to a vault containing high-performing ads. Expert coaching, expert guidance from a team with a collective track record of generating millions in affiliate income. Bonus case study, a case study demonstrating how someone went from $0 to $300,000 in 14 days using the program. Prisol.io page and template builders, access to automated page builders and templates. Bonus event ticket, a free ticket to an upcoming Profit Singularity event for program enrollees. Profit Singularity Breakthrough refund policy. Profit Singularity Breakthrough comes with a distinctive 90-day profit guarantee. If users do not achieve profit within 90 days of implementing the system, they can request a refund and receive an additional $500 as a gesture of appreciation for trying the program. Profit Singularity Breakthrough pricing. The cost of Profit Singularity Breakthrough is a one-time fee of $2,497 or 3 monthly payments of $997. Users can choose the payment option that suits their financial preferences. Final word. In summary, Profit Singularity Breakthrough is an 8-week training program designed to help individuals launch and grow successful online businesses. The program covers various aspects, including affiliate offers, AI utilization, and tapping into untapped online traffic sources. It provides users with access to pre-built resources and tools to aid in their online ventures. Profit Singularity Breakthrough sets itself apart through its emphasis on AI, scalability, and the potential for substantial commissions. It also offers a unique 90-day profit guarantee, showcasing confidence in the program's effectiveness. As with any investment, individuals should conduct thorough research and consider their own goals and resources before deciding whether Profit Singularity Breakthrough is the right fit for them.